Hello, my dear friend. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with you. We are here today sharing the results which our students have achieved in March 2023 exam. Though the time was short as per the notification by the agency, is with not a regular cycle, but still the team of the teachers of A.S.S Science Foundation worked very hard day and night, and the students, they really worked more harder. And in that series, we received the positive results from 42 plus student. But after the consent of picture and the name informations, we have published here the list of almost 31 people whom we have received till date, as per the data gathered by the social media team. So in that series, we have got very outstanding results, and lot of students have done remarkably very good work. In that series, we would like to highlight few of them. So Satrupa Bandyopadhyay, she was a student of regular program at center and she qualified a JRF. Then Monica Dhanda, she qualified a JRF as well as NET-LS. She was also a regular program at center. Then Monica, she qualified a JRF. She was the part of the live online program. Poonam was also a part of the live online program. Then Monica, she was also the part of the live online program. She also qualified a JRF. Then Shefali Verma, she was also a part of live online program. She also qualified a JRF. Harshita Tagra, she qualified NET-LS. She was a part of center program offline as well as the online program. Then Pooja qualified a NET-LS. She was a part of live online program. Sachin Sharon is a part of live online program. He qualified a NET-LS. Sahil is also a part of live online program. He also qualified a LS. Ankita was also a part of live online program. He also qualified a LS. Shubham Abhishek, who is currently a PhD student at NIT Warangal, and he also qualified a NET-LS. He was also a part of live online program. Pratibha Dwivedi was also a part of live online program. She also qualified a NET-LS. Manya Tanwar, the case is special. This girl was giving the parallel exam of M.SC second year, but still she worked very hard. At the same time, she was giving the M.SC exams. At the same time, she was giving the NET. But she got a NET-LS, and she really worked hard. She was a part of the live online program. Yash Kumar Yadav was also a part of the live online program. He qualified a NET-LS. Yuganshi was a part of offline program at center. She qualified a NET-LS. Sakshi was also a part of live online program. She qualified a NET-LS. Ritambara Singh, she is a student of PhD at IIT Dhanbad. She qualified a NET-LS. She was a part of the live online program. Manpreet Kaur, she was a part of offline center program. She also qualified a NET-LS. Deepak Soni was a part of live online program. He also qualified a NET-LS. Ritu Kshatriya, she qualified a NET-LS and she was a part of our offline center program. Then Sanali Akat Khan was also a part of offline center program and she qualified a NET-LS. Divya was a part of live online program. She qualified a NET-LS. Shreya qualified NET-LS and she was the part of center offline program. Ramdharmavi, she qualified an NET-LS and she was a part of live online program. Gulabsha Khatun was a part of correspondence with video program and she qualified a NET-LS. Meenakshi was also a part of live online program and she qualified a NET-LS. Then Avinash Kumar Swami was also a part of offline center program. He qualified a NET-LS. Poonam Singh was also a part of correspondence with video program and she qualified a NET-LS. Sanjay Anand was a part of offline program at our Delhi center and he qualified a NET-LS. Yogesh Kumar, he qualified NET-LS. He was a part of correspondence with video program. He was also a M.SC studying student, right? So the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate all our successful candidates and we wish them good luck for the future PhD journey, right? Apart from that, at present, the team of A.S.S Science Foundation is offering NET-JRF programs in offline mode at our Delhi center and live online program across the India. Then we are also offering correspondence with video and study material only program along with the test series. Apart from that, the institute is also offering special entrances such as CPCB, ASRB, other PhD exams. Along with that, GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering for 2024 registration are still open. So those who are targeting for June 23 or July 23 and December 23, they are most welcome for the enrollment. Once again, we would like to congratulate all our successful candidates. They worked really hard with the team of A.S.S Science Foundation, and we wish them good luck for the future journey in research and academics. Thank you.